Greetings to all the farmers and friends involved in farming business all over the globe. Our mission is to grow enough food using zero chemicals and encourage rural youth for 100% employment on their own land. My name is Tejaram Chaudhary and we are discussing all the agriculture methods adopted by farmers all over the world. Our ultimate aim is to arrive at the best agriculture method wherein our agriculture will be simple, cheapest and natural and will benefit the entire humanity, entire living beings and entire atmosphere on Mother Earth. To know more about all the agriculture methods, we are discussing briefly about each one, and today we are taking up the next method, that is plantation farming. What is plantation agriculture or plantation farming? Think, what if single crop could power an entire economy? That is the concept behind plantation agriculture. Farming where crops are grown mainly for sale in international and national market. It is commonly practiced in tropical and subtropical regions and usually focuses on one high value crop grown across vast area of land. Key features of plantation farming. One major feature is monoculture, growing a single crop such as tea, coffee, rubber, sugarcane, cotton, palm oil, bananas or cocoa. These crops are mostly export oriented, meaning they are grown for global trade rather than local consumption. Plantations are usually large estates, often covering thousands of acres and requires heavy investment, infrastructure and organized management. Labor plus inputs in plantation farming. Plantation farming also uses intensive labor, especially during planting and harvesting seasons. Historically, many plantations depends on forced or indentured labor. Even today, concerns about wages and worker rights can exist in some regions where plantation is done. To maximize yield, plantation often use high level of fertilizer, pesticides, herbicides, which can affect the environment if not done carefully. Climate needs in plantation. This system thrives in areas with warm temperature, fertile soil and abundant rainfall, conditions ideal for tropical and subtropical crops. Advantages of plantation farming. It produces high yield and can generate significant profits. It contributes to export earnings for countries and it creates employment opportunities for rural communities. However, there are important challenges as well. Large monoculture plantation can lead to soil degradation, deforestation and biodiversity loss. There may also be labor rights concern in some areas. And since plantation depend on global market, farmers can face income instability when prices fluctuate. Therefore, in simple terms, plantation agriculture is a powerful but complex farming system. It drives global trade and food supply, yet it must be managed responsibly to balance productivity, environment and social welfare. Therefore, if you want to learn more about modern farming system, subscribe to keep growing your agriculture knowledge. To know more about methods, keep tuned with us. Finally, we will arrive at the best agriculture method and encourage all the farmers to adopt the same for growing purely natural farming. To know more, like, subscribe and share our channel.